Alright mate, if you found this channel, there's a chance that something in your life doesn't quite feel right anymore. Maybe everything looks fine from the outside, right? Work's okay, life's moving. But underneath something feels off, right? A bit flat, a bit disconnected, like you're just going through the motions, right? Well, this channel is for men just in that place. My name's Jamie and I'm a men's coach. This channel right here is where we have real conversations. Real conversations about what it means to be a man navigating midlife today. This is where we talk about the things that most men won't say out loud. Purpose, pressure, relationships, burnout, and all around that moment when you know something needs to change. Here you'll find a mix of conversations with me on my podcast Safe Harbor, talking to loads of different men about lots of different topics. And shorter episodes where I share some of my coaching expertise, insights, tips, everything to help you navigate midlife. And this isn't a YouTube channel to fix you. It's about you backing yourself and me giving you the tools and the conversations to help you along the way. So if this already resonates and you're still here watching this, stick around, man. Subscribe. Watch some of these videos. Listen to some of the audios. I'm here for the long game. I'm so pleased you're here. Welcome to the Jamie Robbins YouTube channel. Safe Harbor and Jamie Coach. Nice one, man. Good to have you.